and welcome back to my channel. For those of you just joining us, my name is Bonnie and my channel deals with travel tips, cruise destinations, extend your cruise ideas, and helpful information to just make your travels smooth. Consider subscribing. Turn on that notification bell. Thank you. Today we explore the EUROSTAR train from Paris to London. You will learn tips about the process and the benefits of traveling by train. You have a first-hand account of the trials and tribulations of traveling with a lot of luggage. And finally, we discuss the visitor's OYSTER card, what it is, how to use it, how to purchase it. So sit back and relax and enjoy Paris to London by train. The EUROSTAR right now. This is our picture of this building. We made it. Took the EUROSTAR the Chunnel, which left out of Gare du Nord in France, in Paris, and we checked in 45 minutes prior. There were security checks, they scanned our luggage. One thing to note is that it is a very busy station and super spread out, so there's a lot of walking involved. Just know that you can bring up to 2 pieces of luggage and a small handbag, but you do need to carry all those and be able to put them in a luggage rack over your head or at the entrance to the assigned car. EUROSTAR train was very comfortable. They had free Wi-Fi. It was fast, and it's interesting to note that it goes under the channel, so they call it the Chunnel, which is an undersea tunnel linking northern France to South England. It's 22.5 miles long. There's an actual tube line there, an underground station that will connect to the northern Piccadilly and Victoria lines and a few others.
Going off to London today. I'm so excited. Well, we somehow managed our first train ride with this mess.
Here's this handle, so now I can't pull it, so I have to sit and my wheels couldn't get out. This is just beginning.
Yeah. We're both carrying like maybe 90 pounds. And the platform to get up here is like a foot. So you gotta lift. You gotta lift, boy. You gotta lift.
Yeah, I was able to lift this somehow.
We're gonna do it. We got this.
I hope so. It's the stress levels here. It's an experience in every way. It's very personal to test.
Notice something? My zipper is breaking. I swear.
And my wheels are about ready to fall off mine from the weight of the other bag that I can't open anymore. What is this? All our luggage is falling apart, and it's only day 4. This is our picture of this building. We made it. It was falling apart. First the handle wouldn't work, and then my wheels were like caving in on top of the other bag. It was a nightmare, but we made it somehow, and I think I'm going to be shopping for new luggage, but we made it. I'm just all happy, and we have what looks like underground for 12 minutes, and then we're at our hotel, so we'll see how that works out. Key doesn't work, and I'm locked into the floor because you need the key to get out of this locked door. So now the maid has run downstairs to help us out. It's just been a disaster of a day.
I have no idea what we just went through. So we got out of our train at 12:30. It is now 3 o'clock, and we just got to our hotel room. So we had to go all the way across London to the other side, and it took us a really long time to get through the train station because the thing is, my mom's luggage
It just has the single wheel, and it does not roll correctly.
When you're pulling that luggage, you feel all of the weight. And walk a couple blocks from the station to our hotel, which is very nice, by the way. And that felt like death. Because I offered to take her bag because I was like, maybe I can try to do it better, but no. I don't know how my mom did it for so long. She was killing it.
That was not easy.
I feel like death.
all I could keep thinking was, what if I have a heart attack in the middle of Victoria Station?
Oh my
or
God.
No, Victoria Station line.
I honestly felt like I was gonna die.
My luggage wouldn't cooperate. I was dragging it so much. I'm so embarrassed. It's a Staybridge Suites in Vauxhall, England, or out of London area. It's near the Thames River, and here's like a view. It's just super English, cute, nice people. It's kind of nice. We have a little kitchen, a little sitting area. I mean, it's perfect for 3 nights.
Staying with London is really, really cute. Honestly, I haven't even had a chance to visit the city, and I'm already feeling like it might be my favorite city I've been to. I really like just how it looks, and people have been really helpful here. So I'm really excited to explore and get out there. Even though I'm really tired, I'm like pumped to see what London has to offer. So
we're right off the river, and everybody's jogging and walking, and it's just cool. It's just like a regular little city. Everyone's so friendly. I really appreciated all those people that said, oh, are you lost? Can we help you?
We're gonna go to a pub, which is just like literally a block away, to get some food real quick, and then we're gonna walk over to one of the ferry places, one of the ferry stops, and kind of look around what London has to offer via boat. So this is better than I could have ever expected. I'm obsessed with veggie burgers. They're like my favorite thing. And this looks legit. I'm so excited. So we're so lucky that our hotel has such a great pub nearby.
We chose to buy a visitor's Oyster card. The Oyster card can be purchased at the EUROSTAR buffet to save you time. The Oyster card is a prepaid money card that you add money to travel throughout London. You pay with your credit card or debit card.
I almost got kicked off the boat because I'm an idiot, and instead of scanning my Oyster card, which is like a clipper pretty much that applies to all of the public transportation, I kept hitting my hotel key card, and obviously that would not work. Whoops.
And there are different fares depending on what services you use and when you travel, but once you reach a certain cap on that day, then you're able to travel as much as you want within the zones. They'll automatically calculate the cost of each journey, and then you won't have to pay more for that day in the zones you travel in. So it actually comes out to being a better price for you. And also, just by having this card, you save time because you don't have to buy a ticket every time you go through a turnstile. And when you're using the tube and you're going all over London, you're on many different lines and going many different directions, and you're using this card to tap in to the station, and then you use it to tap out, and it calculates and keeps track of everything you're doing. So it's just cheaper than buying single tickets, and you also get some discounts at some London shops and restaurants and galleries, and you can check that out. But it's definitely worth looking into. You can even use it from the airport if you're going from Heathrow or Gatwick, and you can use it to those stations, but we were just using it within London to get around.
Randomly decided to get off our boat.
Well, it's mainly for Shakespeare.
For Shakespeare's Glow. I haven't heard of this. I personally really like Shakespeare. I know a lot of people were forced to read Shakespeare in class, but I actually enjoyed it when I studied it. To be or not to be, and you can vote by putting your cigarette butt in. Really love it. We were talking to like the cutest, most pleasant woman. Well, that was unexpected. I was not expecting to see an entire theater here, but pretty much it's a theater dedicated to doing Shakespeare productions, which is so cool. I love Shakespeare plays, and they also have a really, really good gift shop. Like so many cute Shakespeare references and a lot of really creative books and like renditions of movies in Shakespeare language. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's really cool actually. So we're now walking to the Towers Bridge for some pictures, and we just want to see what it looks like. It's about a mile walk, and we're just walking along the river and seeing what's going on.
We're in the South Bank. I believe that's what they call it.
Yeah. Honestly, it's such a beautiful day. There's so many people out. It's
really,
like just a really nice atmosphere.
Really nice.
Yeah.
I don't know. San Francisco weather, kind of?
Yeah. So really good first day in London, I would say.
It turned out to be much better. Instead of the word of the day of defeated, it's been conquered.
Resilience.
Resilience.
It's like my favorite word.
Yeah.
I wish I could take pictures, but the lighting is not, it's just not, we'll take more pictures than London and other places. Oh my god.
Check out next week while we explore London, the Tower Bridge, and much more. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and like to see more, please subscribe below. It is free for you and it means the world to me. Until next time.